Yes. So what happened? I don't know if that video is going to go through. I don't know if it's going to be uploaded because it's got 18 minutes. Yeah, I think I should pass it on. It should go through. So, after the fall of Moscow, there was also a minor public anti-Bolshevik sentiment was still there in some of the provinces, such as the newspaper Novaya Zin. It was the first legal Bolshevik daily newspaper. Its editor was Maxim Litvinov. 1905, published in October, Petersburg, under the guidance of Lenin, which criticized the Bolshevik lack of manpower and organization in running their party. Let alone a government, Lenin confidently claimed that there is not a shadow of hesitation in the masses of Petrograd, Moscow, and the rest of Russia in accepting Bolshevik rule. On the 10th November 1917, the government applied the term citizens of Russia Republic to Russians, whom they sought to make equal in all possible respects by the nullification of legal designations of civil inequality such as estates, titles, and ranks. 12th November, a Constituent Assembly was elected. In these elections, 26 mandatory delegates were proposed by the Bolshevik Central Committee, 58 were proposed by the Social Revolutionaries. The outcome of the election gave the majority to the Social Revolutionary Party, which no longer existed as a full party. By that time, the left SR party was in coalition with the Bolsheviks. The Bolsheviks dissolved the Constituent Assembly in 1918 when it came into conflict with the Soviets. Okay. 16 December 1917, the government ventured into eliminate hierarchy in the army, removing all titles, ranks, and uniform decorations. The tradition of saluting was also eliminated. When also I had been in Russia, the guards were not saluting each other or saluting their seniors. They stand quiet. Russian guards just stand quiet like this. You can't shake them. Their discipline is dangerous. They'll stand quietly. They'll not look at you also. Vague type of thing. Anyways, that's their type of discipline. On the 20th of December 1917, the Cheka was created by Lenin's decree. Now, what is Cheka? Cheka was the All Russian Extraordinary Commission, abbreviated by VCHK, and commonly known as the Cheka or Cheka, was the first of a succession of Soviet secret police organization established on the 5th of December 1917 by Sovnarkom. It came under the leadership of Felix. These were the beginnings of the Bolshevik consolidation of power over the political opponents. The Red Terror began in September 1918 following a failed assassination. It was a period of political repression. Mass killings happened in this Red Terror, carried out by the Bolsheviks after the beginning of the Russian Civil War in 1918. It was actually termed as the Bolshevik political repression during the Civil War 1917 to 1922. Okay. It was because actually it was an assassination attempt on Lenin. It failed. They could not kill him. The French Jacobin terror was an example of Soviet Bolshevik. Trotsky had compared Lenin to Maximilien Robespierre as early in 1904. You have read before, he was a French lawyer and statesman who was best known and most influential figures of the French Revolution, Jacobin. So he was compared by Trotsky. The decree on land ratified the actions of the peasants who throughout Russia had taken private land and redistributed among themselves. The Bolshevik viewed themselves as representing an alliance of workers and peasants signified by the hammer and sickle on the flag, CPIM flag, and the coat of arms of the Soviet Union. All private property was nationalized by the government. All Russian banks were nationalized. Private accounts were expropriated. All private bank accounts were stopped. The properties of church, including bank accounts, were also stopped. All foreign debts were repudiated. Control of the factories was given to the Soviets. Wages were fixed at higher rates than during the war, and a shorter 8-hour working period day was introduced. This is what happened. And this was going on. I was there in 1984. Yes, in 84 I saw this. Not all private property was nationalized by the government in the days, weeks and months that followed revolution of 25th October. The government of the Bolshevik party and the left SR did not support the workers taking over large corporations and collectively organizing the economy. They did not support it. A chairman of the government, Lenin, negotiated with the factions of the upper bourgeoisie so that the bourgeoisie would manage the corporations according to the orders from the new government. Lenin negotiated with the factions. This failed, Magar. Whatever they did, the corporation according to the orders of the new government, this failed utterly because it presupposed that the masses would accept class corporation in the revolutionary situation. What was the class cooperation or the class collaboration? Social organization based upon the belief that the division of society into hierarchy of social classes is a positive and essential aspect of civilization. There has to be a hierarchy of social classes, level of class. And these level of classes I have seen there. In the context, the Bolshevik party understood workers' control as checking and supervision by the employees to ensure that orders from the government were followed. Some factories continued in private hands because the masses either had no managerial competence or they hesitated to support the Bolshevik party. Other factories were taken over by the employees and some by the government after pressure from below or by governmental initiative. There was a lack of class consciousness of the masses. They were not conscious about what's happening. Marxism they were not understanding, set of belief that a person holds regarding their social class or economic rank in the society. The structure of their class interest according to Karl Marx. It is an awareness that is key to sparking a revolution that would create. They didn't have that conscience, what is actually happening. Only a minority of the working class population fought to establish a democratic rule over the main capitalist factories. Okay, so we'll keep it till here, and next class I'll come and explain the rest and we'll finish it. Okay, so till then, take care and hope you all enjoy life and don't take any tension. Enjoy your life. Bye bye. God bless and respect your parents.